Introducing the MantelMount Professional Series, a new high-quality flat-screen TV mount. Perfect for installations high on the wall or over a fireplace. Even your grandmother can easily pull a large flat-screen TV down off the wall to eye level and swivel it left or right.
It isn't just that it can pull down 27 inches, it's that it pulls away from the wall to clear a mantle and then can drop 27 inches. And wait, there's more, it also pivots side to side. Boy, there's no other product that does that on the market.
With MantelMount, you will eliminate awkward viewing angles and glare for a comfortable, enjoyable viewing experience. MantelMount redefines versatility, making it an ideal solution for conference rooms, media rooms, playrooms, gamers, gyms, lofts, literally anywhere a television needs to be mounted high on a wall. Easy to install and easy for all ages to use, MantelMount shatters the problems of mounting a television over a fireplace. With best-in-class versatility that includes flush-to-wall mounting, 115-pound capacity, enhanced 26-inch vertical reach, and 60-degree swivel, MantelMount's patented construction combines precision automotive pistons, high-quality steel, and state-of-the-art counterbalance technology. We're so confident in our manufacturing and quality standards that we offer a lifetime manufacturer's warranty on all our manual pull-down TV mounts. MantelMount's commitment to quality starts with the installation process. An integrated safety pin makes installation safe and easy. Metal conduit electrical boxes allow safe cable routing through hot chimneys. Heat-sensing handles detect temperatures above 110 degrees. A built-in soundbar bracket eliminates the need for any additional soundbar adapter. Paintable covers hide all the hardware, complementing any decor and enhancing satisfaction, even with the most demanding customers. All the installation hardware you need is right in the box. Our optional and easy-to-install recess kit conceals the center arm for a flush-to-wall installation.
The recess kit allows you to actually house all of the mechanical parts of the mount within the wall, so it creates a slimmer look.
You will appreciate this effective, affordable, and aesthetically pleasing television mounting solution that makes watching television more comfortable and enjoyable than ever before.
MantelMount works better than I thought it would.
If you are using anything other than the MantelMount to mount your TV to the wall, you're throwing money away.
Every day I look at it, I'm glad I bought it.
So let's make every seat in the room the best seat in the house with MantelMount, a new kind of high-on-the-wall flat-screen TV mount that's redefining how we watch television.